Welcome to the Gabi ng Parangal at Pasasalamat 2025 ng Pakamalan Tamong Ballet, representing the voice of the youth and the barangay champions of participation and inclusive governance. We now welcome the Sangguniang Bayan ex-official members, partners in leadership and service to every sector of our community. A big round of applause as we welcome. Let us give a warm round of applause to Honorable Diosdado D. Vitug Jr. And Honorable Jesse Rex A. Laxamana. Let us give him a big round of applause, please. Once again, let us give a big round of applause to all our municipal councilors. Palakpakan po.